Hey guys, happy Thursday and happy Throwback Thursday actually. Today's message is all about taking it back in the spirit of TBT. So I'm talking about returning to a childlike state. I think that children are the best dreamers. And the reason I say that is because they have the luxury of not having their wants and their hopes and desires contaminated by what society says is possible or what is realistic or what you should be doing with your life. They have the benefit of just believing that everything and anything is possible, and there's something so beautiful about that. So I want you to throw it back to the days where you were young and you had all these crazy career ambitions. I don't know, you wanted to be a pilot, or you wanted to be a princess, or you wanted to be, I don't know, an astronaut. Like, I want you to take your mind back to that way of thinking, about forgetting about the obstacles, forgetting about what you're told you can and can't do, forgetting about why you think you can't achieve something because you're a woman, or you're a man, or you're black, or you're white, or you have a disability, or you have an impairment, or you come from a certain type of background. Forget about all that. Just remember what it's like to be a child and to believe that anything you want is possible. What would you ask for? What would you want to achieve? What would you want to happen to you next week? What situation would you want to be in this time next year? Throw it back to the days where everything seemed like it was within reach. Every day was a new day. Every experience was new, and you were constantly in a state of learning, in a state of freedom, and in a state of joy. I think when we take ourselves back to and we really speak to our inner child, that is where all the answers lie. And I promise you, if you talk to little you, so in my case, little Nadreen, who was a daydreamer in class, who wasn't really paying attention to what was going on because she was too focused on, playing out her dream life in her head, what would that little person say to you? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I encourage you and your childlike self to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the bell icon so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Share this video with as many people as possible, and make sure you come and follow me on my other social channels. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and I will have linked all of those below. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for your Friday motivation. Bye!